What's going on, dividend chasers? It's the Dividend Bloodhound here with another investing episode. In this episode we're going to talk about buying stocks, or I'm going to show you the process for buying stocks on the Freetrade app. I'm going to spend a little bit of money in my Freetrade account today. I've got about £16 to spend, just as a little example to show you guys how to take a stock that you've picked from your watch list and then how to buy it, and the little process that goes through all the way to the middle until that share settles in your account. It's fantastic at the moment from Freetrade that you can buy a share absolutely immediately. As long as the stock market is open, you can purchase that share at an immediate price, get the price and take advantage of it, and it'll get straight in your portfolio, which is much better than how it used to be, where you used to have to wait till 3 o'clock each day to purchase your share if you wanted to do it for free, or you had to pay £1 to buy it whenever point you wanted when the stock market was obviously open. So that being said, we're going to get into the app in a second, and I've got a couple of shares lined up that I want to buy, which is US hedged bond, Barclays and City of London Trust, and hopefully I should be able to afford all three if my maths was correct. That being said, if this video brings value to you, please hit that like button in the corner there and the subscribe button if you are new here, and please hit that notification bell as well if you want to get notified when all my new content goes out live. That being said, let's actually get straight into the app and into the video. Catch you in there. Hello again, dividend chasers. You join me in my basic free share, free money account, and as you will recognise, it's similar to last time. So you can see my investments there. I've got 2 property companies, an American investment trust, a mining company, a private equity share with Standard Life Investments, as you can see there, picked up for free, and then a little share in Cineworld and 1 free share waiting. So today I'm going to show you how to buy stocks through Freetrade. So they're on my watch list here already, and I've already decided that I'm going to buy these. So please do your research when you buy into companies. Don't just willy-nilly just invest because somebody on YouTube has told you so, or you've seen it flash up somewhere that you should buy this company and buy it now. That's not really the way to do things. Make sure you get on Seeking Alpha or Simply Wall Street, Yahoo Finance, any of these companies, and actually look into these companies that you're going to buy. So City of London Trust is a monthly dividend paying trust that is invested in large UK equities and companies. It's fairly as safe as investments can get. If you look back over its long term, it's been raising its dividends quite a lot over time, and the price has been steadily going along normal until obviously doing as a stock market usually does, a bit up and down, a bit up and down, and then down due to the health crisis. And then the same with high yield corporate debt here that is through US company bonds, but it's hedged to GDP, and this is a little bit of a loan, but you can return this money against interest, and this has the same sort of thing. Bounces along okay, and then it's down because of the crisis that we've already mentioned. You can see a couple of other shares on there. Now these ones down at the bottom here are very high risk. Aston Martin is really struggling at the moment, as you can see, 77% down. Premier Oil is also very badly hit by the oil price war at the moment, and then Cineworld as well has been massively knocked on. So it was at £3 mate this time last year, and now it's at 57p. It was a lot lower than that. So because this is free money, I'm happy to take a bit more of a risk with it than I usually would. Anyway, let's get into actually buying these stocks. So it's a very simple process. You've got your watch list here. You click the one that you want. So this is it. high yield corporate bond hedged to Great British pounds. You decide you want it, you smash the buy button. It says how much you've got available here, and then it says how much the share price is currently, roughly, and that it's free to make the order. So I'm going to put in £8, and then there will be a small stamp duty fee to pay. So I'm just going to put £8. I'm going to put £8.80 in, just to make sure that I can cover the fee, that the small stamp duty fee that will come with this. You hit review order, and you've got what it's going to cost you, and there isn't actually any commission or stamp duty on this. That has surprised me. Usually when you buy stock, you buy stocks actually in actual companies, you pay a small stamp duty fee. Clearly not today. So this is just going to cost the £8.68. You smash the buy button, get your fingerprint ID or your face ID in there, and then that's your lot. It's done. You get a little happy party symbol there that you've bought it, and a little congratulations, and there you go. And then that should be it, and then I should be able to see that in my activity feed here where I sold out, and then you can actually see it. The money has gone from my account there, and then if I go to my portfolio, it should be top of the portfolio list, or near the top, because it's quite expensive for this portfolio at least. And there it is, you can see it nestled in there. So next up I have £7.81 left, so I'm going to spend a little bit on the City of London Diversified Trust. So I've decided already that I want it. Click the buy button. You can go for however many you want, really. I don't think I've got enough for 2 shares. I might have enough. Oh, I do have enough, but I'm not going to, because I want to show you, are you going to buy Barclays as well, a share in Barclays as well. So for this one, I'm just going to go for £3.40, just to make sure that I'm above the threshold, just in case I get charged a little bit of stamp duty. And there it is, look. So I've got a small 0.5% stamp duty charge against buying this one, that's worked out to be 2p. And I'm going to confirm that I want to buy it, which is what I've got. You wait a little bit again, and it should come through shortly, unless, there it is. You got a little celebration thing there again. I bought it at £33.37, and it cost me 2p in commission. So having that little bit extra got me there. And then there we have it. So I've got £4.42 left to invest. And you can see it nestled in my portfolio, just there, just above sentiment. So last but not least, I'm going to add a share of Barclays. In fact, I'm going to go for, I don't know what to do actually. I don't know whether to go for another. Yeah, I think I might be able to afford both actually. So I'm going to go for another share of City in London. Quickly get that done. So I've got £3.40. And you hit the review order button, hit the confirm buy, and I think you guys obviously are getting the gist of it now basically. But I'm just going to continue moving along with this, and that leaves me with £1.03 left. So I'm going to go for, I'm not sure whether to go for 2 shares of Barclays or take a gamble on Aston Martin and see where it ultimately ends up, as it's only £1. Do you know what? I think I might go with Aston Martin. It's £1. Who's bothered? So go for £1.03. Hopefully that should be enough to cover the stamp duty that I will get charged against it. There's no stamp duty, so there we go. I own a whole £1 in Aston Martin, just for a little bit of fun. Let's see where it actually ultimately ends up. So there we have it. There is the look of my new portfolio. So we have 2 shares in Aston Martin, 1 share in Cineworld, 1 share in Standard Life, 2 shares in Centamin, 2 shares in City of London, 2 in American Investment, 1 in high yield corporate bonds, 4 shares in Crest Nicholson and 2 shares in Barrett, with 1 more free share still in play at another point. That being said, I think that wraps us all up today. I just mentioned here, this is your withdrawable cash option, so that's what it says there, which I've got 2 pence left of. Unsettled cash is from recent sell order. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Thank you for having the endurance to stick to the end of this video. I really appreciate and really need the watch time. I hope this helps you in the future in buying and selling your shares. It's just a little mini video, a little mini tutorial. Not that it's that hard, but I just wanted to put it out there just in case. I always enjoy buying shares. It's a really nice reward for spending your hard-earned money at the end of the day, and in this case, as it was free money, it's excellent because I get to take a bit of a risk with it that I wouldn't usually take with my main investing portfolio that you can see in another video. I hope this video brings value to you. If so, please smash that like button in the corner there. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, and especially if you want to get notified when I release new content, get that notification bell hit as well. Feel free to share on social media, that would be great. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Catch you later, bye bye.